subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new mid-range smartphone under V series in Malaysia called Vivo V21e with a stylish red design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo V21e features a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 20:9 aspect ratio and the screen supports HDR10. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset paired with Adreno 618 GPU, and it houses an 8GB of RAM which can be expanded up to 3GB by using internal storage. And the smartphone packs with 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo V21e supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.89 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has an 44MP camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. The device comes backed by a 4000 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on FunTouch OS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with Ultra Game Mode plus Multi-Turbo feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.24 by 74.37 by 7.38mm and it weighs around 171 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo V21e has been priced in Malaysia at 1,299 Malaysian ringgits. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in diamond flare and Roman black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo V21e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.